Hi, this is Nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha, and today I'm going to tell you a very interesting summer salad which is low in calorie and very healthy. For that, you need any of the leaves, whether it is kale or lettuce or rocket leaf. As per the availability and taste, you can choose any. For protein, you can use either a boiled chicken or you can use tofu or some paneer cubes depending on whatever you like, or you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. For topping, we need some flaxseed, and for dressing, we need some olive oil and lime juice with some salt and pepper. So that's a very simple basic dressing what I'm going to use for this salad. For the base, I'm going to use is watermelon, which is healthy, low in calories, summer food. And what you have to do now is take watermelon, any of the leaves, that is kale, rocket or lettuce, and then put in some chicken or paneer or tofu, and then pour in some dressing of olive oil, lime, salt and pepper. Top it with flax seeds, and here is your healthy, yummy salad ready.